Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Canva subscription. Let's dive in. On the Canva homepage, click the gear icon at the top of the screen to view your settings. In the Account settings, find Billing and Plans on the left sidebar and click on it. Under Subscriptions for your team, you'll see the details of your current plan. Click on the three dots below it. Select Cancel Plan from the drop-down menu. Click on Continue Cancellation. Choose a reason for canceling, and click Continue Cancellation again. You can pause your subscription for 3 months or proceed with a cancellation. If you're sure you want to cancel, click Cancel Subscription. And that's it! You've successfully canceled your Canva subscription. You can still enjoy Canva Pro until your subscription period ends. You can provide feedback or simply close this window. Your cancellation is now complete. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.